Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we'll learn how you can send large files on Discord PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open up your Discord application on your PC and simply log in with your account. And after logging in, you will be able to see your DMs with your friends. Simply select any chat and select the plus icon. Here, if you try to send a file larger than 25 megabytes, Discord will display an error and ask you to get Nitro paid plan. So what we are going to do is simply open up any kind of browser and search for Imgur.com. Now drop or select the file you want to send on Discord and upload it to Imgur server. After that, copy its link and you're done. Now just paste the link in your friend's chat and send it. You can see that the video is sent successfully, and now if I try to send the same file using Discord, only you can see that an error appears. And that's how you can send large video files or maybe audio files, any type of files over on your Discord. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.